Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Grrrr. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and Atlanta. Pandas. 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 Pandas, 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 pandas. TGIM pandas. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. It's good to be back. Taking that little break, that 1 day break in the week, makes me even hungrier to come back. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing great. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. You guys are amazing. Hope you had an amazing weekend. What is a top tier cereal? I've been getting back into cereals lately. What should be in the list? Got Frosted Flakes, Lucky Charms, some other ones, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Captain Crunch. Pandas. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? TGIM pandas, we are back. Back alive at it again. This is Bye Bye Money. And we are got to be back. We're about to hit Big Mama here before the market even opens. Quick news check as always. You gotta check the news before market open because sometimes the news makes it very slow. So you want to make sure. This week, not much news actually. I think your biggest news is probably Friday. But every other day, it's pretty much standard fare here. Good morning, my pandas. Just a straight shot up. Double bottoms here. Overnight, the Nascraq. See, you don't get movements like this on the E-minis. I don't even need to look at the E-minis. I already know it's not like this. Once you Nascraq, can't go back. Kind of like a move here. Probably something like this. This feels nice. This feels nice. Trading Nascraq. I'm sorry if you were expecting the E-minis. It's just torture. E-minis are just pure torture sometimes. Especially in the summer session. I may go back, maybe in the fall time, or if I see some good volatility there, but right now, pandas. If anything, I'll maybe just look at the 5 minute. I'll have to have the 5 minute up somewhere. What does Trades by Matt look at? Does he look at the 5 minute Nascraq? Is that what he's trading? You are not telling me Frosted Flakes right now. Okay, Captain Crunch and Frosted Flakes are head to head. can't believe it. Frosted Flakes. Good morning, guys. Bill 7, good morning. Kyle L, welcome back. Good morning. Gio, good morning. Hugh, I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I can feel the diabetes. Exactly. As I grew up, I remember my parents always telling me, cereal's just sugar. I said, no, it's not. No, it's not. It tastes delicious. And now, when I eat it, they 100% correct. It's literally just sugar. Mawashi, good morning. YL, Cocoa Pops. Cocoa Pops. Cocoa Puffs or Cocoa Pops? Geo, welcome. Cause says he does a 10K, 5 minute, and 22 range. He trades off the 22 range mostly. Day Trader NY. Hola. I've never traded a range chart in my life, but trading the 10K or the 5 minute chart on the Nascraq is insane. It's actually insane. I'm trading the 1,000 tick because the range. It's just the candles are too huge. But I love this. I love the 1,000 tick right now. It's just like, it's fun. It's quick. You can get a lot out of it in the first hour. A lot of opportunities. I love it. Sugar-coated bamboo. Exactly. That's what we're gonna get today. I'll eat bamboo every day. What is a range chart? I mean, range charts. I could be missing something big, but man, what in the world? The 100 tick on the NQ, I can't imagine. Thomas Wade does NQ on 1500. I mean, not bad. I mean, again, the reason why I do 1,000 tick is because the amount of risk I'm willing to take on any trade needs to reflect the tick chart. I'm just like, even at 1,500, even at 1,000, it's like, whoa, like the risks. I mean, you're talking about like, let's just say you go long here. Your risk is what, 13 points. That's essentially 5 points on the EMINI, which is like typical what I would not typical, but that's like what I would be willing to risk possibly on the EMINI. So you trade 2,000 for your big time frame. I see. So you're trading half of mine. Wow, 500. That must be really quick. Trading 1,000 and then having the 5,000 as my big time, the higher time frame. Market just opened, pandas. 5 minute chart. You see a huge gap here. Big move down. Am I looking to go long here, pandas? I mean, since we're underneath the 20 EMA, who knows? Maybe we could be reversing here. You're thinking one more push up, but really, who knows? Lower high here. Could create a second entry long, but it looks like a trap it might be setting up.
Could be arranging a little bit. Trap probably setting up here, but do I want to take the trap right off the open? Not really, especially first break of trend and 20 EMA. I think trading range, if anything. I mean, it could reverse here. Don't get me wrong. Anything can happen, but market just open. We can sit on our pause. Let's just see what happens here. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Disappointing reaction the moment the trap triggers. Let's see what happens here. Nice push down. It's not a one-to-one yet, but decent push down. Okay. It's not a one-to-one. You're looking for at least a one-to-one, right? Whenever you take a risk, you gotta look for at least one-to-one here. Especially on a trap trade. You want that one-to-one for sure. We could still get it, right? Your stop loss is way up here, and it looks like it might be going down to it. Another push down. Spike channel, that's what's happening. Should I be cheeky? Buy here, sell here. Should I be a little cheeky today? A little cheekiness for y'all this morning. I don't know how it's happening. I'm literally missing my targets by like one tick. All right, I'm scared now. I don't know what's happening. I couldn't get filled. I was like missing my targets like to get filled like by one tick. Just saw a spike in channel. Thought I could play the channel here. Decent push down, maybe bottom of the trading range. We hit the one-to-one on that trap trade. It took some time to get there, but we did hit the one-to-one. We could be breaking this channel now. Okay, strong bull bar. Strong bull bar. Strong bull bar. First break of the channel, in my opinion. Frosted Flakes. I can't believe it. It's #1. It's like soggiest flakes. The most soggy cereal. The moment it touches milk, it turns into wet paper. I mean, it's delicious. I get it. It's delicious. I'm just saying that it just gets soggy in like a matter of nanoseconds. Decent push up here. 5-minute bar ends. This is how it looks like. Your first 5-minute bar on the Nascraq. Hitting the 240 SMA. Wow, it's been a while since we hit it. Why do I have the 240 SMA? Because it's the hourly 20 SMA. I like to have that on my charts. Another push up here. I may take a failsafe entry short. I'd be inclined to take it. A failsafe entry short here. Let's see if we get it though. We need the setup. Oh, we got the setup, Hannes. We actually have a setup. And it's gone. All right, we just broke this pivot low, creating an expanding pattern. Higher high, lower lows. Confusion. We could go long here though. Second entry long is a better setup at this point. All right, still expanding pattern. All right, pushes up. I wish it didn't break that pivot low here. I would have entered that with a trap trade, but just felt the need to break it by about 3 ticks. It is what it is, pandas. It is what it is. Do I think Biden resigning has an impact on the market? Well, I guess a little. With hindsight bias, we can say not really. Biden did drop out of the race. The question is, why was he there in the first place? That's the main question. Like, it was so obvious from the beginning. This guy was losing his mind. He was not there. I think it just confirms that, yeah. He pretty much wasn't there from the beginning. And that's like the best. I don't know. I'm not saying I'm a fan of Trump at all, but the fact that your best candidate was a senile old man, that's just really sad in my opinion. Thinking Big Mama here. One contract. Oh, Big Mama triggers on the 5-minute. Interesting. Woo! What a drop. That's what you gotta enter when it actually triggers. Maybe second entry long here. I don't think Trump is senile. I think he is old, but he is not senile. He's like 100% there in my opinion. Yeah, I don't think that's an argument. Some people just get older quicker, and I would easily argue Trump is like mentally he's there. If anything, he's probably sharper than me. It's actually kind of crazy. I mean, that's respect. He is old though. It's not just being old that's a problem. It's being senile and old. At the end, both candidates are not ideal, I don't think, for this country. It's getting too extreme. But, I mean, I get it. Liberal agenda has been, like, pretty consistently is growing. Hasn't been checked in a while. It's just a natural kind of, you know, it's the natural course of what would happen if something goes left unchecked. So it's just gonna be, you know, this balance. Second entry long here. I'll take the trap. Fail second entry long. I'll take it. Ooh, okay. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Okay. Alright. It is what it is. Breaking the previous pivot. You might have seen, man, I saw a clip. I'm not sure if you guys seen this animation, but they basically made this like 3D model of like Trump's head, and they kind of replayed like the assassination attempt, and it's like if Trump didn't turn his head in like the matter of seconds that he did, like he would have died. Like it's plain simple, he would have just been dead. We would have seen a live execution, a live assassination on TV. Higher low here. Do I like the higher low? Not bad, especially off our trend line like this. If it stays above the trend line, it's flushing now. Got all done. Hey, congrats, man. We're still trying to get our bamboo here. Let's get our first trade. Okay, strong bull bar popping up here. Higher low, kind of on our trend line. Not really though. It's not the cleanest. It's not the cleanest setup. It is a higher low though. We create a triangle here. See what happens. All right. Pop up. Gonna hit Big Mama again one more time. Second attempt, Big Mama. On the 5 minute, of course. Right, Big Mama already triggers on the 5 minute, fails. We're gonna try second attempt here. Is it actually on the? Okay, it's so small. Just looking for 5 points, which is like what? 20 times 5. It's $100. That's it. Oh, taking this one early. Outside bar reversal. Let's get it. Get it. Get it.
Target filled.
104. Easy peasy. Feels good to be a panda. Got our bamboo. A scalp a day keeps the boss away. $100 per 4 accounts. $400 a day. 250 trading days in a year. 400 times 250. 6 figures. We're on track to make 6 figures in 1 year, pandas. We are on track. Easy peasy. Could have gotten more off of that, huh? Jeez. What a push. I like that higher low. I just wish it didn't go so far down. It kind of makes this trend line hard to trade. Ends up being nice though. Hitting the top of the channel now. Would I just reverse it here? No way. No way, Jose. Solid 3 pushes up now, making a wedge. 5,000 tick. Right, 1, 2, 3 pushes up. Wedge here. It's such a strong channel, huh? Bill said, Panda made 869 with 1 eval account, max of 2 contracts. Oh, congratulations. You are done. You are done. You're so done. Second entry long here. Floating in mid-air. Outside bar reversal. Sitting on my paws, being patient. Right. This is why you're patient. This doesn't really hit any support here. Plus, you're in a small trading range now. It may work out. It comes back to the top of the trading range. So it could break out here. It's a bit risky in my opinion. Strong bull bar, like ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. Makes you want to go long sometime soon. Like very soon. I'm not sure if that's the trade though. I just don't know if that's the trade. I do want to go long. Maybe bouncing off the 20 MA. Give me some sort of support to play off of, please. Still in trading range here. Just waiting for some move. Bear bar ending on its low. Right, the 5-minute chart, such a strong bull bar. You're thinking follow through. Right, such a high chance of follow through here. We gotta just find the right timing, the right setup here. We could play off the 20 EMA. We could play off the 20 EMA. Be a first entry. We could play off the trend line as well. Give me a second entry though. Maybe only first entry is allowed. Second entry. Okay. We have everything we need right now to look for a long trade here. Or should I just look for a reversal? Am I being silly? Is it apparent reversing here? I'll take it. I'll reverse my trade if I see the trap. Whoa, okay. In this trade. Like I said, I'll reverse it if it happens. I'll reverse my trade if it happens. Oof, oof. So hard to time these things. Alright, I'm reversed. It's very hard to time these things. I'm reversed, but it might be a premature reversal. We'll see. Should I reverse it one more time? I would hate to do it, but technically, we're still in this trade. All right. Looking for a new high here. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, we're dead. Looking for that new high. Looking for some follow through on that huge bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Looking for that new high, pandas. Can we get it? Can we get it, pandas? It's so hard to time like the reversals or time these candles because of how quick the Nascraq moves. So I prematurely reversed my trade, which sucks. But it is what it is. This might push down. Might be losing some money here today. Higher low maybe here. I already made a mistake trying to reverse my trade prematurely. I didn't try. I mean, I didn't want to. I wanted to time it when it breaks the previous candle's low. It just kept like getting very wiggly around here. Let's just say that. Let's get that higher low. I'd love to see the higher low. Ooh, closing underneath the 20 EMA. Starting to look like a trading range now. It's getting confusing. It's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. But the new high seems to make sense here. Look for that new high. Especially after super strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. It could just be a reversal though from there. If it is, then it's just, it is what it is. Most signs are really pushing up here. It's just all looking down. Maybe looking for a new low at this point before pushing higher. It's looking ugly. Ooh, got the higher low, pandas. It's good news for us. Unfortunately, we're underneath the trend line now and also underneath the 20 EMA. Second entry short here could really push down. Looks like I'm going to lose this one, pandas. It is what it is, though. I'll take the hit. Move on. Next trade. If it breaks this low here, wow. Okay, I'm dead. Yeah. It just got really funky. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row. I really thought we were going to get some follow through on that 5-minute. Strong bull bar ending near its high. Instead, it looks like we're getting a reversal here. Second entry long does trigger. Trap doesn't quite trigger here. But that lower high confirmed this move down. It just sucks that I prematurely took this trade out and reversed it twice. So I basically lost this. I like double my losses essentially because of that. Sucks. I mean, look at this. The 5-minute strong bull bar just reverses, no follow through whatsoever. Could this be a morning reversal? Straight shot down now. Give me a trap trade, I'll take it. Micro double top. Sitting on my paws. Alright. Okay. What is happening is the question. What is happening right now is the dang question. Let's see what happens here. We got an undershoot, might possibly lead to an overshoot. Hard to go short here, in my opinion, right now. Just because, you know, you have to respect this trend line, respect this channel. Could create a second entry short. Could come back up to the top of the channel. Momentum play here if you go short into the bottom of this channel like this. Right, undershoot leading to more breakdown. Hard to predict that. Hard to predict that that was going to happen, in my opinion. If it does, technically still hasn't happened. Okay, getting push up. Second entry short here. Ooh, do I like the second entry short? Well, the market disappointed right when it triggers a second entry short. Trap trade here. See what happens. It's underneath the 20 EMA, but also don't like the outside bar reversal. Forget it. Push down is good. Jeez. Second entry short. Huge wicks here. Big push down. It's flushing now. Flush down now. Starting to develop this channel now. Okay, not looking for any longs. I think only looking for shorts now. First entry? I could think about it. I just wish it was off a trend line. Taking this first entry is quite risky, in my opinion. Okay, we're off our trend line now. I could attempt this. I could possibly attempt this as a first entry short. Okay, just smashes right through it, right? Always look for that one-to-one. Always gotta look for that one-to-one. Coming off our trend line now, right top of the channel, big push down. It misses my target. All right, let's go. Easy peasy. Looking for that one-to-one trade. It's like perfect hit. It's like perfectly hit that one-to-one. Jeez, bounces right off of it. That was a first entry. Bad signal bar. Everything was terrible about it. Only thing that was nice is it hit my trend line. We're at the trend line again. Now we got 3 pushes down. 1, 2, 3. Let's get back positive. I think I can do it. Another first entry. Might be worth waiting for a second entry here just because we broke that trend line. Second entry short. It's not really close to our 20 EMA. But we are off our trend line here. It's risky. Low probability chance. The risk is not too bad though. I would like a nice signal bar if I can get one, but it doesn't look like I'll get it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, I guess. I was trying to get my one-to-one set up. I would have made a little bit more bamboo. Definitely been positive by now. Second entry short for the win. Easy peasy. I was trying to look for my 1-to-1. But that's a Nascraq for you. It moves so quick, it scalps you out really early. I might need to make even a bigger buffer. Right now, I'm creating a 10-point buffer for myself to adjust my stop losses, but I don't know. Lower or high here. What a push. Let's get back green, pandas. I think we can do it. We're still trying to go short here is a question. Short until said otherwise? Until proven otherwise? Another first entry here. First entry. Really flushing here. It really was a reversal, huh? Like 8 top, basically. Like, look at this strong bull bar, and he was high, just morning reversal. Now we're kind of back to where we began. First entry again. Second entry setting up. Okay. I'm a little more hesitant taking this one. It is a second entry short though. Off a very strong downtrend. It does trigger. Taking the trap here. It's honestly a silly trap. It's honestly a very silly trap to take. I'm a silly panda. What can I say? It's a silly trap underneath the 20 MA. A lot of things going against you here. Low probability trade. Missed it by one tick. Missed it by one tick again.
Filled.
The Nascraq in a sense is like more forgiving because of how crazy the movements are. Like you can scalp out pretty easily. Goodness gracious, we're back to green, pandas. I could have got more from that too. Main reason why I was looking for reversal there because I was looking for the double bottom on the 5-minute chart. Not thinking this is going to reverse all the way back up, but then we're going to have a pullback around this area. Pure intuitive trading right now. I wish I could teach that. It's hard to teach. It's hard to teach, pandas. It's hard to teach talent, you know what I mean? I'm just kidding. We're barely up. We're up 145. Nothing to brag about. Decent push up. Very decent push up. I should have took a 1 for 2 for that because the probability was so low. It's a first reversal here, first reversal attempt, and I should have gotten more reward off of that for better EV. I was thinking about it, but I was too scared. Right, it's just the first reversal up. It's a decent push up. First entry. Should I look for a first entry long? Nah. I'm actually looking for another push down here. Breaking this low. Um, I'm trying to find the timing for this. I want to go short, but I want to find the timing. I'm not sure if this is the correct timing just to go short right here. It could be. It could quite possibly be. I'm not sure, Pandas. I'm entirely not sure. Hard to go short against a candle that looks like this. You know what I mean, Pandas? Gotta recess after every candle. Maybe it isn't short. Maybe. Maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. That is close, pandas. We are in. How much am I willing to risk here? It's the question. I'm looking for a 1-to-1 on this. It's huge. Here's my 1-to-1. It's massive, pandas. It's absolutely massive 1-to-1 right now. It's a 5,000 tick inside bar setup. Thinking we're making a new low here. We'll see, pandas. Looks like I'm gonna get hit. 5,000 tick inside bar, no good. I was trying to find that timing, but looks like it's failed me. I mean, I don't know if there's any other way to handle this trade. Inside bar trade, essentially. Like when you're in a trade, you hate the feeling of you know, the trade for 99% of the time being within your being red, you know what I mean? You hate that. I'll tell you that much. You hate that. 99% of the time you're red in your trade. It's not a good feeling, pandas. You know, it makes you feel like, all right, you probably made the wrong trade, if you know what I mean. The inside bar has failed me, pandas.
Five-minute trap.
I almost want to go long, but it's all good. I'll just take the hit. Ah. Wah, wah. Did that go off? You guys hear a sound on that? And that's how I feel. Tilted. You got real choppy real quick. I basically just did a 5,000 tick inside bar, thinking we're going to make another push down because it looked like it needed another push down, right? Breaking this low. But instead, now we're just reversing back up, pandas. I mean, I had my premise. My premise was wrong. And I took a setup towards my premise. And it is what it is. What can I say? It stings a little bit. It stings. What can I say? I mean, it stings. It hurts. I'm only a panda after all. What do I do here, pandas? Maybe wait for one more trade. The problem is the risk is huge on these trades. If you want to trade breakouts. It's creating a big triangle. don't know. I'll take one more attempt short, I guess. I don't know. Too soon, Junior? Too soon, Junior? Too soon, Junior, for sure. Almost want to go long. Almost want to go long at this point. Jeez Louise. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Cinema pause. All right. Guess we went long. Too soon, Junior. Just gone long right there. I should have reversed it. Yikes. Five-minute, big trading range. Maybe back to the highs of the day. Right, trading range indicator marking the trading range here. I don't know. I don't know, pandas. Missed my target by half a point. Very cool. Very, very cool, if I say so myself. Oh, missed my target by half a point. I'm done. Oh man, this is how I feel. Missed my target by half a point on a $20,000 product. 50 cents. I missed it by 50 cents on a $20,000 product. You gotta love that, pandas. You gotta love it. Gotta love it, love it, love it. Love it so much.
I don't know. I should stop trading. I should stop trading. Because I'm tilted out of my mind right now. And we're getting quite choppy here. Alright, I'm done. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Live to fight another day. I'll see you guys then. Trade safe, everyone. And I hope you guys are doing better than me. But Pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.